Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to MySQL tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how can you import and export your MySQL database and how can you generate the script of your entire database along with the objects that you have created inside database. Okay, so let's start and see inside my PHP MyAdmin. In the previous lecture we have seen the CRUD operations like insert, update, select, delete, the DDL statements and the DML statements. Now here we have PHP MyAdmin, and here you can see there are a lot of tabs appearing on the top of the page, and in this particular place we have to go on the import and export tabs. First of all, let us go to the export tab and let me show you how can you generate the script of your entire database here. It's very simple. You have to just come here and then simply press this go button. But what database you are going to export, you have to select that first. So in the previous lecture we have created a database with the name MyDB. First of all, select that, and after selecting that database, let us go on the export tab. In this export tab, now you are exporting the tables from MyDB database. Okay, this is the correct way, and now press the go button. When you click on the go button, you can see MyDB.SQL is downloaded here. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going on my SQL and I am writing the three words that we have seen in the previous lecture, that is drop database, and then the name of my database is MyDB. Simple. Okay, now let us execute this. After executing this, you can refresh your PHP MyAdmin and you can see MyDB is nowhere. Okay, now I'm just demonstrating you that you have taken your database in the format of a script and you have downloaded that, and now let's say you have emailed this script to you, and on at your homes you open your PHP MyAdmin and you come here on the import tab, and it is asking you to please choose your file, give here your file name or the file where you have downloaded it. So I have that file in the downloads folder. Yes, look, MyDB, and then click OK. Now what you have to do, leave everything as it is. The format is same and the compatibility is, you don't have to change anything here. Simple, just click on the go button. You can see it is saying that there is no database selected. That means we have to first create the database, and then the entire objects of the database are created automatically. So let us first create the database. Create database again, and the name of my database is MyDB. Simple. And now let us execute it. You can see commands completed successfully. Now go on the import tab and then select your file, and now select this and click open, and now go on the bottom of this page and click on the go button. You can see it is saying that there is no database selected. That means it is mandatory that you have to select your database first, and then all the other actions will be performed simultaneously. Now go on the import button and then select the choose file and do the same process again, and now click on the go button. So you can notice it is now taking time. Please be patient. The file is being uploaded, and then after successful upload, you can see import has been successfully finished, 13 queries executed, and you can see that faculty table along with that you see everything is appeared together. Okay, the tables are there. The only table we have is the faculty table, and the data inside that table we have also stored with the help of that query. So I hope you have understood how can you import and export your database in MySQL. Okay guys, now let me tell you one more thing, that is the structure tab. We have created the queries, we have written the queries in the previous lectures, and now you can see all the queries that you have written are displayed in front of you in the form of graphical user interface. You can now drop the column directly from here, you can change or alter the column directly from here, you can make a unique key, and you can do the index, you can make this column as the index column, and you can change the data type as well. So this is the graphical manner how can you change your particular column. Okay, so you can see I have clicked on the change button, and now it is asking me to change the data type, to change the length and all that. I hope it is clear to everyone. So that's all for today. Hope you have understood how we have done the import and export of the database. If you do not understand anything, please do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.